Hello everyone, here's Eve. Welcome to Pimax Progress Update. In this video, we've got a software update and some long-awaited shipping news. Let's go! First up, the new Pimax Play 2.0 is officially out in open beta with a redesigned UI and a new Pimax home. You can now log in using a QR code through the Pimax app. And it finally includes OpenXR API layer support for easier tool management. You can also pin your favorite games in the library for quicker access. On the performance side, the system UI now supports smart smoothing, forward rendering, and a new curved mode. These updates work across the 5K Super, 8KX, Crystal series, and the Dream Air. For original Crystal owners, if you want the Wi-Fi streaming for your headset, contact Quora on OpenMR, link in the description. Then, finally, the Dream Air is officially in the mass production and mass shipping phase. Both the Lighthouse and Slam versions are being produced and moving through quality checks. And for those waiting on the Dream Air SE, production and shipping for both versions are also scheduled to kick off this month. We'll release a behind-screen video showing how these units are boxed up. For Crystal Super users, the Lighthouse faceplate is finally start large-scale shipping this month. We'll address a minor connector issue and upgrade the material for front cover. Better durability and better tracking are on the way. Lastly, Robin just wrapped up an AMA. He answered some community questions regarding the future of Pimax headsets. If you're interested, don't forget to check the link in the description. That is all for today's video. See you next time.